My dad would have established Winters in 1960 at the age of 25. He was someone that was very involved in the process. He was very invested in quality. You know, both the technical and the professional person, those two enabled him to really establish his reputation and establish the company. Now we're a collection of people that still reflect a lot of those values. We're a second generation family business now. We have myself and my two brothers. So I have Frederick, who's in production, Michael, who's a technician, and myself, who's in customer service. People choose us based on a reputation in many cases, but I hope they leave with a sense that we're organized, that we're very efficient at what we do, and that we're a well-run business. The fact that we've been in business for 60 years, we do have that knowledge that we've accumulated, and we have this great team of people here that if you walk through the door 10 years ago, if you come back today, you're going to recognize a lot of the faces that are greeting you and that are there to assist you. It's a team. That's what gets it done. If you know Winters, you know that we're consistent, that we have a core group of people, and we are accountable to our customers. We continue to reinvest in equipment and training, and fully intend to participate in the future of collision repair. That accountability factor, that familiarity that customers have, you can get that in some places, but certainly not in all places. It should be something that's personable, because it is that. At Winters, it's the people.